The Thanneermukkom Bund means salt water barrier is located in Thanneermukkom of Cherthala Taluk in Alappuzha district, Kerala state, India. This barrier essentially divides the Vembanad Lake, the largest lake of the state, into two parts containing salt water and fresh water each. Thanneermukkom Bund, which has a length of 1400 meters, was constructed in 1974 and is functional since 1976. It is the largest mud regulator in India and presently the only one coastal reservoir in India. The scenery of fishermen busy with their tasks, in small boats roaming around, and the tranquil emerald green water all are a visual treat for tourists' eyes, especially during the early mornings and evenings. It can be reached by road from Kuttanad town, Alappuzha or Cherthala. This barrier has helped the farmers in Kuttanad, where farming occurs below sea level. Even though the bund helped a lot in farming, it raised some worse environmental impacts, especially on the flora and fauna of the region. The shutters of the bund are kept open during the monsoon to pass the flood waters and remain closed later as per the water conditions. It also connects the two districts of Kuttanad and Alappuzha through the Thanneermukkom and Vechur villages on either side of the bund. Thanneermukkom is an important destination in the Kerala backwater tourism map. A number of resorts dot the area. Here we are presenting some aerial shots of this beautiful area. Please subscribe the channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.